Tonight, the home stretch of Hollywood's harrowing off-screen drama.
They're very sweet.
The $50 million defamation trial between A-list exes Johnny Depp and Amber Heard entering its final week, with Depp potentially due back on the stand any day now. Meantime, tensions mounting in court.
If the door's pushed and
Dr. Moore,
closes about the fingers.
I understand that. But my question is...
I think it's important that they understand that.
This is the time for me to ask you questions.
Heard's lawyers calling an orthopedic surgeon to undermine Depp's graphic story about his severed finger. The actor had testified Heard caused the injury by throwing a vodka bottle at him during a 2015 trip to Australia. Heard countered, saying Depp could have injured himself when he smashed a wall-mounted phone.
If something had come from the top, that there would be an immediate impact to the fingernail bed?
That's correct.
Cut to cross-examination.
But you weren't in Australia with Mr. Depp and Ms. Heard, correct?
I was not in Australia, no.
And so therefore you have no personal knowledge as to how that injury was sustained.
Correct.
Next, a psychiatrist called by Heard's team to weigh in on the relationship.
Mr. Depp has behaviors that are consistent with both someone who has a substance use disorder as well as consistent behaviors for someone who is a perpetrator of intimate partner violence.
Depp's team drilling down, noting Dr. David Spiegel never personally examined Depp.
You don't know whether he was at the time on drugs and alcohol, but you're going to rely on it in your testimony to say that he's cognitively impaired.
Which is what we do in clinical medicine, sir.
Depp is suing his ex-wife for defamation after she wrote a 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post describing herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. The actor claims he never abused Heard and said the op-ed, which never directly mentioned Depp, derailed his career, costing him millions. But Heard's expert witness claims Depp's reputation was suffering before the op-ed due to his own behavioral issues on and off set.
Based on your analysis, what if any impact did Ms. Heard's op-ed have on whether Mr. Depp could claim a loss for Pirate 6? Zero.
Heard also countersuing Depp for $100 million. Her lawyers were originally expected to call Depp back to the stand today, but now sources close to Heard telling NBC News, quote, calling Depp back to the stand would be as relevant to us as a bicycle to a fish. Everything Depp has testified up to this point has been irrelevant to the heart of the case. But now Depp's team could call him in rebuttal over the next few days, according to representatives for Depp.
It gives Johnny Depp, who is obviously a skilled communicator, the ability to kind of reemphasize his themes, his points, his strategy.
Depp's team may also call Kate Moss, former supermodel and ex-girlfriend of Depp.
All right, Maggie Vespa joins us now live from Los Angeles. Maggie, I know you have some new reporting on the public reaction to some of the testimony in this trial and what's actually happening.
Yeah, Tom, exactly. During that psychiatrist testimony, which, as you saw, was largely critical of Depp, people started what's known as review bombing his practice, giving it more than 400 one-star reviews just today to kind of tank his rating. And a lot of people mentioned the trial specifically in their reviews. Google, it appears, saw this happening and removed the bad reviews, leaving kind of the older, legitimate ones. But it's just more proof that, as you said, in the court of public opinion, Depp has fared very well.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.